Yo, large up man like Lion Heart and King Malachi. Trinidad Massive, big up yourself. The living anchor, the anchor of living waters. Key to the door, to the bridge from the now to forever after. Headquarters of the Most High Mind of head rulers and Jah. Kinetics of genetic, kin of kindred of Alpha Omega. Allegorical ark of Acacia of Noah the life preserver. Ark of the covenant of Moses the anchor. Lifeguard of that thing in this ocean and life. Guardian so human relationship don't sink now. Lion is lion. In a Trinidad, lion is lion. Jamaica, lion is lion. All in Africa, lion is lion. Saint Croix, lion is lion. Trinidad, lion is lion. Gasparillo youth, lion is lion. All the people in the ghetto them, lion is lion. Lion.
Revolutionary. See the lion not a real revolutionary. No matter if them come with corona, social distance and wicked man culture. Vaccine, non-vaccine, and so them want start a war. But that can't stop we. No Babylon can't trick we. Me money now till Illuminati. Lucifer 2000 could have.
King Malachi, large up yourself. Evidence why we are singing as Fiber King. Lion is lion, Judah Bethlehem he come from. Lion is lion, Jim Pools in the ghetto flowing in. Lion is lion, lion. You don't know.